Shivering at your desk or battling cold floors? Imagine a compact powerhouse that transforms frosty rooms into cozy havens in minutes. Today, we're revealing the top 5 space heaters that blend rapid warmth, whisper-quiet operation, and smart safety features, so you can embrace winter without ever leaving your comfort zone. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpick.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Lasko 754,200 ceramic portable space heater, the best budget space heater. Get ready to enjoy the warmth of the Lasko 754,200 ceramic portable space heater. Compact and powerful, this little gem stands at just 10 inches tall but delivers an impressive 1,500 watts of heat. You'll appreciate the versatility with 3 settings: low, high, and fan. This allows you to customize comfort according to your needs. With its adjustable temperature dial, you can easily tweak the warmth to your liking. Although it employs an unconventional dot system rather than specific degrees, getting it dialed in becomes intuitive after a bit of practice. This space heater excels at providing localized warmth. While it won't heat an entire room, stepping close feels like a cozy embrace. You might find it perfect for an office setting, where I tested it and experienced a pleasant increase in temperature. The quiet operation makes it an excellent companion during Zoom meetings, allowing you to stay focused and calm without distraction. One aspect to note is the heater's limited reach, as it only raised the overall temperature in my workspace by about 3 degrees Fahrenheit. However, if you sit nearby, warmth envelops you comfortably. What I love most about this heater is how quietly it operates while efficiently warming your space. The Lasko 754,200 is a budget-friendly choice that offers reliable heat and convenience. Looking for a heater that packs a punch in a petite package? You won't believe the cozy power of what's next. At number 4, we have Amazon Basics Indoor Space Heater, the best value space heater. Stay warm and cozy with the Amazon Basics Indoor Space Heater. After extensive testing, this compact heater shines as the best value space heater. You'll appreciate its comfortable heat output that makes chilly days feel much more enjoyable. Safety stands out with features like automatic shutoff and overheat protection. You won't have to worry about leaving it on while you go about your day. Controlling heat is effortless with a convenient dial. This allows you to customize your comfort. 2 fan settings give options, and the higher setting is perfect for quickly warming up a room. While its design may not win any awards, it's functional and suits various spaces easily. We loved how lightweight it is, making it simple to move from one room to another. This flexibility enhances its value. Operating quietly adds to the appeal, allowing you to focus on work or relaxation rather than distracting noise. One minor detail is that the lower fan setting could be more effective. However, the high setting compensates well, especially in drafty areas. The Amazon Basics Indoor Space Heater delivers excellent performance and affordability. Want high-tech safety and unbeatable value? The next pick raises the bar for budget-friendly warmth. Still searching for the perfect space heater? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Honeywell HCE840B HeatGenius Space Heater, the best floor-level space heater. Meet the Honeywell HCE840B HeatGenius Space Heater, a standout choice for efficient, targeted warmth. After extensive use, this heater firmly holds its ground as the best floor-level option on the market. Its unique design features 2 vertical heating elements and 2 fans that enhance heat distribution. You can set your desired fan speed and temperature to warm up specific areas. Want cozy heat focused at your feet or aimed towards your chest? It delivers just that. The built-in timer progressively reduces power every 30 minutes, ensuring comfortable warmth for 2 hours before powering down automatically. Quiet mode is another highlight. It turns off the lower fan, using the upper fan at low speed for subtle, peaceful heating. Perfect for bedrooms or offices, this feature makes it easy to enjoy cozy days without noise disturbance. While most small space heaters lack convenient storage options, this model does have its quirks. Although a cord wrap would make storage easier, it's hardly a deal breaker when performance is exceptional. What stands out most is its effective, adjustable heating capabilities. Tired of feeling cold at your feet while trying to warm the entire room? This model targets heat exactly where you need it. Craving precision targeted heat exactly where you need it? Our next model takes comfort to the next level. At number 2, we have Lasko Ellipse Ceramic Space Heater, the best space heater for tabletops. Say goodbye to chills. The Lasko Ellipse Ceramic Space Heater is your perfect tabletop companion for those frigid office days. At just 12 inches tall, it fits discreetly into any corner of your desk without fuss. With a powerful 1500 watts at its highest setting, this compact heater warms up your space in no time. Choose from low or medium settings for a custom experience. Adjusting the temperature through the touch panel is incredibly easy, giving you control right at your fingertips. One standout feature is the included remote, which allows you to operate the unit from a distance. You can set it to oscillate, helping to distribute heat evenly around your workspace. Plus, the timer function is a game changer for maintaining comfort throughout your workday. An LED panel provides clear visibility, making it simple to check settings at a glance. While it does start on the highest setting, which may catch you off guard, quickly modifying the temperature isn't a major hassle. Rather, it ensures you kick off with intense heat, leaving room for your personal adjustments. What I love most about this space heater is its ability to deliver warmth quickly while taking only a small amount of room. Its compact design and versatile settings make it a top choice among similar models. Longing for stylish tabletop warmth at your fingertips? Stay tuned. The ultimate desktop heater is up next. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Vornado AVH10 Space Heater, the best space heater overall. Beat the cold with the Vornado AVH10 Space Heater. This compact device stands out as the best space heater overall for several compelling reasons. Its heating performance is exceptional, cranking up your room temperature by an impressive 18 degrees in just 5 hours. For larger spaces, it still holds strong, boosting temperatures by 7 degrees. You can count on it to keep every corner of your space warm and inviting. Comfort remains a top priority with the AVH10. When your room temperature drifts 5 degrees from the target, the heater automatically adjusts to maintain coziness. This feature ensures you never have to worry about sudden chills. With a quick reach to 70 degrees within an hour, you'll appreciate not waiting around in the cold. What I love most about this model is how effective it is in both small offices and bigger rooms. Transitioning between spaces while staying snug feels effortless. Many similar heaters can struggle with larger areas, but this one rises to the occasion. On the downside, it's a bit on the larger side compared to others in its category. However, its energy-efficient design makes it worthwhile. Extra bulk brings added heating power, so it's a trade-off for warmth. Putting everything together, this heater impresses with rapid heating and excellent temperature control. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best space heaters. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which space heater you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.